Hold on to your seats because what you're about to witness is absolutely wild. We've got a self-proclaimed hotel investigator who storms into a migrant hotel in Scotland, claiming he's there for an official inspection. But here's the kicker. He has no credentials, no authority, and no right to be there. Watch as tensions explode when staff try to remove him. Racist comments fly on camera, and this audacious individual tries to convince police he's done nothing wrong. Trust me, you've never seen an encounter quite like this one, and the ending will leave you speechless.
I can help you.
You alright, buddy? How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, okay. I'll have to go outside.
What's that, sir?
Can you go outside, please?
What's this?
No, Ross, you're not allowed in the hotel, sir.
What's that, mate?
You're not allowed in the hotel.
What's that, buddy?
You don't have to phone the police.
For what?
You're not allowed in the hotel.
You alright, gentlemen?
Sam, phone the police, please. I've asked them to leave and they won't leave.
Hello? How are you?
Can you please leave the hotel?
What's that, buddy?
Can you please leave the hotel?
I've come to do an inspection.
We don't, where's your ID?
What are you doing? Touching me for?
I'm not touching you, I'm trying
Who
to
are
stop
you?
you from going out the
Who are
hotel.
you?
I'm security.
You're security?
Yeah.
I've come to do an investigation today.
Well, can you investigate outside first while we get someone to clarify your...
No, I don't need to do that. I'm here now.
No,
Hello, gentlemen.
You've been asked to leave the building.
How are you doing?
Please.
How you doing, gentlemen? Everything is good in the hotel?
Can you please leave the building, sir?
What's that, buddy?
Can you please leave the building?
Yeah, I'm just having a little walk around, mate.
No, you're not entitled to walk around. You're not allowed in the hotel. It's not.
I'm in here now, buddy.
Yeah, I know, but please can you leave the hotel?
I'm in here now, mate. What's through here?
Sorry, you're not allowed in the hotel.
No, not through there.
Can you please leave the hotel, please?
What's that, buddy?
The police are on their way.
That's all right. How you doing, mate? You all right? Right. Yeah. Who are you? Who are you?
Go ahead.
Please.
No, I don't take orders from him.
It's not an order, sir. It's a request.
I'm not taking a request from you either, buddy. Who are you, buddy?
Come on, you've got no right to be
What's
on
that,
this.
mate?
Yes, it is.
I don't have to answer to this guy, mate.
Can you please leave the building, sir?
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm all right.
You good?
I'm good.
So how is hotel?
Huh?
How is hotel?
It's all right.
It's good? How long have you been in hotel for?
About
Don't talk. Go away.
This is an investigation on this hotel. I see it's very bad condition there.
It's an investigation.
Can you please leave the building?
Yeah,
sir?
I'm
I've asked
investigating you.
numerous occasions to leave the building. You've not done it.
I'm a hotel investigator.
He reckons he's a hotel. He's not actually threatening.
No, exactly, see? I'm not threatening you, see?
Sorry, you can't get in there, sir.
I'm in here now, buddy.
That's
So
the
is this,
ki- that's
wet?
the
Is this the
kitchen.
food?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, let me go and check.
No, you can't.
I need to inspect the
You
food
can't
now.
Inspect the food, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
What's your name, buddy? You're not showing me no ID or anything.
No, you never showed me either.
I don't need to show you,
No, I
yeah?
don't need to show
What's this
you.
laptop doing there?
It's none of
Whose
your
is that? Is that one of the migrants there working, is it? Is that one of the migrants there working?
Sorry, can you
Is that what's happening there, is it?
This area, please.
No, buddy, I'm inspecting.
You're not inspecting.
I am inspecting.
You're not.
I'm the hotel investigator. I've travelled a long way to investigate this hotel. What time is dinner served?
Another mentally ill white man.
Can you
That's
please?
it? Mentally ill white man, yeah? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not the one selling out my country, am I? I'm the one that's doing good for my country, yeah?
You're not really welcome in this one, to be honest with you.
Where? Not really welcome where?
Scotland.
I'm not welcome in Scotland.
Yeah.
Is that
You
really?
would be the colonisers.
Really?
Say that, that's fine.
You've been
Really?
asked numerous occasions to leave, sir.
Can I get a drink?
I'll bring one out to you.
Go on then, get me a...
No, I'll go outside and I'll bring
What's
one
that,
out.
buddy?
They're welcome, you're not.
Really? Refugees are welcome, but
Yeah.
British people are not?
Yeah.
Okay, British people are not welcome, but refugees are welcome. What makes you say that, miss?
What? Because I'm not having this argument with an Englishman.
Why not? Why not?
Can you please leave the hotel, sir?
Are you racist? Are you racist or something?
Yeah.
You are racist. So you're making racist comments towards me, yeah? Is that what you've just done on camera, yeah? You've just given yourself a jail time sentence. You do know that, yeah?
Oh, so you're the victim here?
You-
I have here, look, I'm just live streamed all over to
You're
Europe.
not welcome in this building.
Listen,
The
you've
police
just,
are coming
you
for
have
you
just,
just now, sir.
the police can't do nothing, buddy.
They can remove you from
I'm
the
making you
hotel.
uncomfortable.
You're not allowed in.
Do you know what? Let me tell you this. The country has many unidentified men in this country that make them feel unidentified. Yeah? Maybe you should tell that to some of your other guests.
No, they're welcome.
Yeah. That's what you reckon.
Right, sir, can you please leave?
What time is dinner served? I'll come back for dinner. Mate, don't keep touching me, buddy.
You keep barging into me.
No, I'm not. I'm not barging into you. Don't tell
leave
lies.
the hotel.
Don't tell. You're all on camera, you know. Listen.
You've been asked.
This one has just made racist comments towards me.
That's none of my concern.
It's none of your concern. What do you mean? So, what?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
So you can't make a racist comment then, no?
You don't think there's a difference between nationality and ethnicity, no?
What's that?
Do you not know the difference between nationality?
Of course I do, but for you to say that, an English person is not welcome, yeah, that's not very nice, is it? How would you like it if you was in London, if you was in England and I turned around and I said to you, Scottish people are not welcome?
The girl doesn't want to speak with you.
Buddy, that your laptop, mate, yeah? That's your laptop, yeah? I thought so. Obviously, this is the Bruce Hotel flagship. Welcome to the AY show. Welcome to the AY show. It's okay, it's no problem. I'm not causing no trouble.
You've been asked to leave the hotel and you won't.
Police are on their way.
Okay, police can come. No problem. No problem. Yeah?
Okay,
I haven't broken any laws.
Can you wait outside for them?
Well, I'll wait here now. Can I get a chair?
No, you're not. You shouldn't be in the building.
How you doing, buddy? Where you come from, sir?
He doesn't want to speak to you.
How do you know? He's got his own mind. He's a human.
Because if he wanted to speak, he would speak.
But he's a human.
I know he's a human.
Exactly. So if he wants to talk, he can talk.
But he doesn't want to talk.
But you're answering for him.
I'm not answering for him.
You are, because you're saying he doesn't want to talk. How do you know he doesn't want to talk?
Because you've asked him numerous questions.
No, I haven't. I've asked him one question.
He's not answered you once.
I've asked one question.
But you kept asking him.
No, one question I've asked him.
Still not answered that question.
No, one question. What's your name? Anthony.
It is, yes.
Yes, okay. Where's your SIA licence, Anthony? Where is it?
It's on my person.
Show it. Put it on display. Like it's meant to be legally on display. When you are entered I want to check it's in date.
It's because you've bounced into
I never bounced into you, don't tell lies, man.
My ID.
You are?
You're not checking my ID, you're not even showing me.
Well done. And what's your name? What's your name? Stick your middle finger up, thank you very much. Well done, thank you very much. Listen, all I ask, if the police come, just tell the truth. I haven't been violent,
no,
I haven't been aggressive, and I haven't been swearing or anything.
No,
that's all I ask. You know what I mean?
That's all you've done. Will you please leave and then?
Exactly. You know, I haven't been violent or aggressive or swearing or anything. Sir, are you resident in hotel? Are you the resident in the hotel?
Yes, I'm living here.
Oh yes, good. How long have you been living?
Don't talk to him, come in.
Buddy, I'm the hotel investigator. I am. They don't want you to talk to me because they don't want you to tell me information about the hotel. You are very bad, you are. You are traitor as well. I'll best get my charger out now, just in case. The police are there. She's there in her pink tracksuit, look, she's there. The police is coming. We'll wait for them. If they want to come to me, they can come to me. Oh, they're coming. You all right, buddy? I was going to walk up to you, but
It's all right, it's okay,
Yeah,
no worries, sir.
yeah.
Are you recording us?
Yeah.
Just so we're all aware, that's all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no
Is that
problem.
Live or is it just for your own use?
So this is. I'm making a documentary on the hotel,
Right. Okay.
on the Bruce flagship hotel.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm making a documentary on that.
All right.
And that's it. This one is live at the moment. Yeah.
So yeah, that's fine. That's all right. Were you actually in the hotel itself?
Yeah, I went inside the hotel. Yeah.
Were you asked to leave by the staff?
Yeah, I'm outside now, aren't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just checking out.
Yeah. I won't go back in there now.
Right, okay.
Obviously I'm outside, aren't I?
Obviously, staff phoned us because they were obviously a bit concerned because I think you were in and you were speaking to their kind of similar. Obviously, see, as a hotel like that, they have a right to ask anyone to leave.
And I left.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to ask for some of your details, sir, and we'll kind of leave it at that. Okay.
Yeah. Have I committed any crimes or anything?
Well, see, at this moment,
Yeah.
potentially.
Go on,
I don't know. And
I haven't committed any crimes or anything. So if you want to check, because I'm a bit reluctant to give my details, to be honest with you. So I'd like to know under what grounds and what sections.
Well, I'm
then
investigating possibly
a
report of a crime.
What crime is that you're reporting?
Well,
you're investigating?
There could be a section 38.
Section 30?
38 Criminal Justice Licence Scotland Act.
Yeah, okay.
Which would be causing fear and alarm.
Yeah,
okay.
Okay.
Now,
what, from a man?
Listen.
I've looked into this already before I've come, yeah?
Okay, that's fine.
Ultimately, the hotel itself is their dwelling address, that's where they live.
Yeah.
Sorry, just watch your back, you got lost when you did.
On you.
Yeah.
That's your
Okay. So I'll just explain something to you. This operates with a C1 licence.
Still on you.
It's after my aftershave, isn't it? Why can't it go after you lot?
Usually it does, right?
So I've checked already, yeah, so on the council register, it's issued with a C1 licence, so that makes it publicly accessible, yeah, into communal areas. So I've only been in the communal areas.
The staff can still ask you to
They can
leave.
ask me to leave and I've left,
fine.
and a person videoing in a publicly accessible area,
no issue with you videoing,
so then that there cannot be used as a thing to say that I'm causing alarm and distress, or any sort of.
You're saying you're trying to access where the canteen is, where the staff members work.
No, I wasn't. No, it's all open. Yeah, so I was going to look at the food. Yeah, it's all open. I never went into no private areas, no staff only areas. Yeah, nothing of the sort. And it's all on video, and it's all on live stream, and that's it. Yeah.
Do you have the video then that would obviously disprove any
Of course, if they've made any allegations against me.
Perfect. Could you show us then that?
Hold on, so what allegations have they made against me then?
Just said that you've obviously been walking around and tried to access the kitchen area at the property.
So do you mind just showing us the video, sir, and we can kind of put this to bed?
No, 1 second, yeah, because that's not illegal. I'm in the canteen. Let's go up there quickly and I'll show you where I was. Because that's not right.
They don't want you back in the
hotel. Okay, I'm not going back in the hotel anyway. But you need to ask them. You need to speak to them. I wasn't where they was cooking the food. I was where they was dishing the food up. That's a publicly accessible area. So if one of you want to go and check, I wasn't in the kitchen. I was not in no private area whatsoever. I think they've got their wires crossed. So I just want you to double check. Because if I turn this off and it deems to be a false allegation, then I will be expecting you, to make some sort of complaint about making a false allegation.
The CCTV is in the hotel, it's in the lobby, it's not in where that canteen would be. Obviously, if you've recorded yourself...
No, but you can ask them, can't you? Because I haven't been in the kitchen.
So, from speaking to staff members...
go and speak to them then, and I'll just sit here and wait here, Well, they've said I was in the... I think you've got the wires crossed when they've said the kitchen area to where the canteen area is. That's what I'm trying to get at, I'm not, I'm not...
That's fine. Is there a particular reason you're reluctant to give any of your details? I'm curious on that. It's like, I'm not accusing you of anything at this moment. I'm just trying to sort all this out so everyone can go about their business peacefully. Alright?
It's because I don't believe I've done anything illegal, to warrant for me to give you my contact details, to be honest with you.
Right.
Unless I've committed any crimes, which I haven't, and I just think you've got it mixed up when they've said kitchen and canteen. They've just mixed it up. So I would ask you to double check. Before we go down the route of obviously stopping cameras, rewinding stuff, checking stuff, because I haven't been into no private areas. And if I do that, and I stop the camera from rolling, then and we prove it to be a false allegation, then I would expect the police.
But it's not even so much a false allegation. It's like we're trying to establish what are the
but then I would.
it
is a false allegation. Well, that's not a crime. That's not a crime.
But that's the best evidence for me to prove that no crime has been committed.
But that's not a crime, though,
and
is it?
Your GoPro is still recording. So you can still record.
No, I need to keep it live. Sorry,
the
kids are gone. I don't really want to get too many of the kids. I don't want to get too many of the kids, to be honest with you.
No. Listen, sir, I'm going to go back to speak to staff.
I'll wait here, not a problem,
Hang fire a couple of minutes, all right?
Okay.
Listen, we'll go back and speak to staff. I'm happy the fact that they've asked you to leave. If you've left, you can go about your daily business. Obviously, if this is what you're trying to do, I'd obviously just say be mindful, be very careful when you're entering. As soon as the staff come and ask you to leave, you need to leave, all right? Because ultimately it is, people live there, it is classed, essentially would be
I know the rules and the laws.
I get that, but so do I, all right? So,
and before
ultimately, we just want everyone just to live peacefully, all right? So that's ultimately all we want, all right?
Okay, not a problem.
And that means everyone gets to go about their daily business
Exactly.
without impacting on anyone else. All right?
Exactly.
Okay?
Nice
All
to
right.
meet you, officer.
So, yeah,
Where were
no
you?
worries.
What's your name and number?
You can have my shoulder number,
I
which is
can't read it, so I need you to tell me it.
For your TikTok live, is that what it's for?
No, I just need it.
Why do you need it?
Because I need it. I need
Why
to
do you-
document all my encounters with the police, you see.
Yeah,
And
but then I need to document all my encounters with the public.
Yeah,
You won't give me your details.
But that's not in my policy to give you my... It's in
No,
your...
in our policy. You can see my
Well,
shoulder number. I don't have to physically say my shoulder number to you.
You have to-
It is right there for you.
Okay, what's
and
your
you
name
can see
then?
it.
What's your
You
name
don't
then?
need my name.
And where
All
you stationed at?
All you need is my shoulder
Where
number.
you stationed at?
Yeah?
Where you stationed?
East Kilbride Police Office.
Okay. And yourself, sir?
Also, it's got a police office. Likewise, it's there.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
All right.
against it.
Okay, you have a good day, yeah?
You have a good day and look
See
after
you later.
yourself. Stay
Bye-bye.
safe.
Yeah,
Okay?
you have a good day as well.
All right, folks, let's break down what we just witnessed, because this encounter is absolutely mind-blowing on multiple levels. First off, we need to talk about the sheer audacity of this individual who waltzed into a migrant hotel claiming to be a hotel investigator without a single credential to back up his claims. When asked for ID, he deflects and says, "You never showed me either." But here's the thing. He's the one making extraordinary claims about being an official investigator. What's particularly fascinating is how he tries to manipulate the legal system to his advantage. He keeps mentioning that the hotel operates under a C1 license, making it publicly accessible, but completely ignores the fundamental principle that private businesses, even those in publicly accessible buildings, have the absolute right to refuse service and ask people to leave. It's like claiming you can't be kicked out of McDonald's because it's open to the public. That's not how property rights work. But here's where things get really disturbing. The racist undertones throughout this entire encounter. When the staff member says refugees are welcome, but British people are not, our self-proclaimed investigator immediately jumps to, "Are you racist?" Yet he's the one making inflammatory comments about selling out the country and referring to unidentified men. The hypocrisy is absolutely staggering. Now let's talk about his interaction with the police, because this is where his legal knowledge really falls apart. He demands the officer's name and station, but when asked for his own details, he claims he hasn't committed any crimes, so he doesn't have to comply. The officer mentions Section 38 of the Criminal Justice Licensing Scotland Act, causing fear and alarm, and our investigator tries to argue that filming in a publicly accessible area can't constitute this offense. But he's completely missing the point that it's his behavior, not just the filming, that's causing the distress. What's most telling is his desperate attempt to control the narrative. He keeps his camera rolling, claims he's live streaming all over Europe, and threatens to make complaints about false allegations if the police can't prove he accessed restricted areas. This is classic deflection, trying to put the burden of proof on everyone else while positioning himself as the victim. The legal reality here is crystal clear. Businesses have the right to refuse service, staff have the right to feel safe at work, and police have the authority to investigate reports of disruptive behavior. His claims about C1 licenses don't override these basic rights, and his filming doesn't give him carte blanche to ignore reasonable requests to leave. What we're seeing here is someone who's learned just enough legal terminology to sound convincing but fundamentally misunderstands how these laws actually work in practice. The officers handled this professionally, giving him multiple opportunities to comply and leave peacefully, which he eventually did. The broader implications of this case highlight the ongoing tensions around immigration policy and how some individuals use citizen journalism as a cover for harassment. While legitimate investigative work serves an important public function, what we witnessed here crossed the line into disruptive behavior that caused genuine distress to staff and residents. This case perfectly demonstrates why context matters more than technicalities when it comes to the law. You can't hide behind legal loopholes when your behavior is clearly intended to intimidate and cause disruption. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments about whether you think his behavior was justified, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping body cam breakdowns. What would you have done if you were the hotel staff in this situation? Let us know below.